हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है सबका क्रिप्टो टेक्निकल माइंड्स में। मेरा नाम राजू। गाइज आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ क्योंकि आज मैं फर्स्ट टाइम मैं लाइव का ब्लॉकचेन कॉन्फ्रेंस अटेंड करने जा रहा हूँ और मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ इस कॉन्फ्रेंस को लेके। ये एक्चुअली बेंगलुरु में हो रहा है एंड ये 1 वीक का ब्लॉकचेन कॉन्फ्रेंस रहेगा जिसको इंडियन ब्लॉकचेन वीक कहा जाता है। यहाँ पे बहुत बड़े इन्वेस्टर्स, ट्रेडर्स, स्पॉन्सर्स आएंगे एंड ये बहुत ही बढ़िया कनेक्ट करने के लिए एंड यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ नया सीखने मिलेगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे ब्लॉकचेन को लेके ब्लॉकचेन का यूसेस क्या है एंड कैसे ग्रो हो रहा है एंड जैसे कि मेटावर्स हो गया, NFT हो गया एंड AI आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस हो गया, कहाँ पे ब्लॉकचेन का यूज़ हो रहा है। तो ये हमको इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में बहुत ही अच्छे से सीखने मिलेगा। तो ये मेरा फर्स्ट कॉन्फ्रेंस है, तो देखते हैं एंड क्या मैं एक्सप्लोर कर पाता हूँ। एंड सेकेंडली गाइज मैं ट्राई करता हूँ कि इस कॉन्फ्रेंस के ग्लिम्स में आपके साथ शेयर करता रहूँ, तो बने रहे इस वीडियो में।
Each and every one of you here with us today. The view from where I stand is absolutely inspiring. This has been a dream for us for the last 10 months, ever since we decided to host India Blockchain Week conference. My name is 𝐕𝐧𝐝𝐿 and I'm part of #𝐸𝐺, the team bringing you and making this a reality. And now, with great excitement, I introduce our first speaker for the day, Tak Lee. I've worked with Tak for over 4 years now. He moved to India 10 years ago, and I can confidently say that he believes in the India story more than many of us do.
Today, for opening speech, I wanted to tell you why we decided to host India Blockchain Week and what we want to achieve through this long week festival of Web3 industry. If I go by, let's start with India. India has significantly contributed to the internet economy as builders, enablers.
The adoption, so while India has one of the largest number of crypto accounts globally, in terms of penetration, which we calculate as the number of crypto accounts to the population, India still ranks below other emerging economies like Nigeria, Vietnam, and developed economies such as US and Korea as well. Majority of the participation has come from the younger generation. People under the age.
So excited that India is a destination for blockchain and crypto now. So let me tell you about 𝐈𝐧𝐝. So 𝐈𝐧𝐝 is a layer 1. I would say it's one of the major layer 1s currently. and it is the fastest smart contract platform in the blockchain industry at present. It's backed by major investors such as Andreessen, like an Indian chain, look like.
Founders and builders who were building from here, and plus also those who were building, including us. It was super difficult to do anything on a global scale. It was super hard to get investments from the investors and things like that. I was telling that the first round of Polygon, when we did, we were able to hardly raise like 165k, whereas all the competitors all across the world were raising like 20 or 25 million dollars. So it was super hard. I think that's what has changed now. Now we have a large number of builders and investors like you guys also are open to investing in Indian.
हेलो दोस्तों, होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड। आज मेरा सेकेंड डे है IBW में एंड मेरा कल का दिन बहुत ही अच्छा रहा। आई थिंक आपने वीडियो में देखा होगा। कल मेनली फोकस Web3 एंड इंडिया डिजिटलाइजेशन पे था एंड बहुत अच्छा रहा। बहुत सारे लोगों से मिलना हुआ एंड ओवरऑल इट वाज वेरी गुड एक्सपोजर दैट व्हाट आई गॉट यस्टरडे। एंड आज का दिन मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ एज़ कम्पेयर टू कल का दिन, क्योंकि आज मेनली क्रिप्टो करेंसी के बारे में डिस्कस किया जाएगा, जैसे कि अडॉप्शन ऑफ डिजिटल करेंसी बाय द इंस्टीट्यूशंस एंड इंडिया स्टैंड्स इन रेगुलेटिंग क्रिप्टो करेंसीज एंड ऑल्सो व्हाट वुड बी द नेक्स्ट नैरेटिव्स इन द कमिंग बुल सीजन। तो ऐसा बहुत सारे क्रिप्टो करेंसी के रिलेटेड टॉपिक डिस्कस किए जाएंगे। सो मी बीइंग अ ट्रेडर आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड whatever discussed with regards to cryptocurrency. तो I'm looking for today's day and as usual मैं आपके साथ आज की भी फोटोज़ एंड वीडियोज़ शेयर करूँगा। तो आई होप यू आर एंजॉइंग माई IBW टूर। तो बने रहें इस वीडियो में and try to explore what is being happening around you within blockchain.
But is there a world in which, let's say, there is something that this industry can actually look at and be like, yeah, okay, we can kind of still exist and flourish? Is there a world that you can paint for us?
We have no choice. We have to flourish, Amit. Again, I'm not talking about crypto. I'm talking about Web3 and blockchain and all of these underlying technologies. AI, ML is getting wrapped up in that. This is the cutting edge as far as technology is concerned. And we've shown in India tremendous ability to build the India stack, to build a digital public infrastructure. And we're looking to you all, friends. We're looking to all of you for innovation in this regard. You have to show us the way. You have to tell us that this is how this can happen. And that responsibility is really on you. Our job then is to work with you to shepherd this forward.
Are you seeing that happen right now?
No, and that is exactly what I'm requesting you all to do, and I've been saying for some time now, which is the industry needs to get together. The industry needs to put forward the white papers, put forward the thought proposals as to how this can evolve and take off.
None other than Vitalik Buterin. Come on, make some noise.
Are you guys hearing me well? Okay, so today, I know you guys have been having a lot of excellent presentations about like applications, technology, a lot of interesting topics, but I wanted to step back a bit.
Recording in progress.
And talk about some of the kind of deeper questions of values that are behind the Ethereum ecosystem.
Yeah, my name is Kelvin Ko. I'm the co-founder and CIO for 𝐈𝐧𝐝𝐤𝐚 Group. At 𝐈𝐧𝐝 Group, we do three things. We have an investment arm, which includes a liquid strategy and 2 venture funds. We also have an advisory business that works with the leading crypto companies to help them raise capital, do M&A, as well as restructuring. And then we also have 𝐈𝐧𝐼 Labs, which is our venture studio and consulting arm.
Hey, this is Praneeth. I'm the co-founder and an investment partner at 𝐈𝐧𝐼𝐚 Ventures, which is a Web3 focused venture firm that was set up by the former venture investment team at Consensus towards the end of 2020, start of 2021. And the intention has been to basically follow the same philosophy of backing really strong technical teams and domain experts and helping them build out sustainable and venture scale companies and networks.
Hi everyone, I'm Sanat. I work at Dragonfly. We're a crypto venture fund that was started in 2018. We invest across the crypto stack, including centralized exchanges, smart contract platforms, and across the application layer.
Yeah, I'll get started with the first question. My name is David, moderating here today. I started off with Crypto, which is a cross-border early-stage venture capital fund that focuses on consumer infrastructure as an investment thesis, and we also have a fund-of-fund vehicle that backs emerging managers. So the first question I would like to kick off is really, what brings you here today to India? What are you most excited about the region as a whole?
Basically, host Hashi, which is our group. Basically, we are very into. Of course, there are so many developers that are coming out, and Polygon was a super successful case, and we believe.
Topic of digital asset adoption in India, opportunities and challenges here in this country as well. This panel brings together some industry experts and, as we call them, OGs in this particular space. First up, put your hands together and make some noise for Edul Patel.
Over to you, Sharan.
My name is Sharan. I run Pure, which is basically a blockchain data analytics company focused on institutions, and Groundrise Capital, which is a platform for the institutions and ultra-HNIs to invest in crypto compliantly in India.
Hi guys, I'm Edul. I'm the founder and CEO of Mudrex. We are a crypto investing platform. We've been going on for the last 6 odd years, have close to about 1 million users and growing and scaling rapidly. We offer our services to users in India and Europe. We're a registered virtual asset service provider in both of these jurisdictions and now growing up.
So the topic for discussion is around adoption and challenges in India. I think firstly I want to highlight that as per the latest chain analysis report, India is the leading country in terms of crypto adoption. I want to get your take on what do you think about the report firstly, and secondly, what makes India so special in terms of being so open-armed, accepting crypto as an asset class.
I can start off if you want. So 2-3 points if you look at that report. Firstly, there are some numbers quoted which just seem too large to be true. I would say that directionally what it talks about is correct. Because it's not just the chain analysis report. If you look at other data, like for example, Google search trends for Bitcoin, and compare that in India versus other countries, you'll see that India almost always comes in number 1, number 2, number 1, number 2, right? And the same thing is true for a bunch of other directional pathways in which you can understand what the adoption looks like. And that adoption, of course, has been growing.
So my name is Ajit. My best introduction is the guy who showed up late, because that is like my most current designation. I have worked in the startup space now since the year 93. Exited my first venture to Intel Capital, the VC arm of Intel, in the year 2000. Then another venture which ran into the global economic crisis of 2008. Got into crypto blockchain VC in the mid-2010s. 2018, I became CEO of a large crypto exchange in India. Took them global. And since 20, I have been working with all of us in this room, or several of us in this room, helping Web3 startups grow. Thanks.
Thank you, teacher. And so basically, I'll probably pass on the question to Sharan. I was just discussing on how retail adoption has been the primary driver in India. Now, are we seeing institutions also get interested in this space? And again, globally, that has already started happening. Macro hedge funds want to get some kind of Bitcoin exposure. Because you have just started Groundrise, any take or any insights that you can provide?
I think for institutions across the world, the most common indicator for them to get and jump into this is regulatory direction, right? India for the longest time lacked that direction because we wake up every morning and all of us will relate to this ki aaj band hoga, kal band hoga, right? And today with the kind of statements that have been coming out in the parliament, the kind of questions being asked, the kind of responses that we're seeing, the kind of report that came out with the FIU, it kind of shows that there seems to be a positive direction in terms of how regulations are looking at.